Hello kids, today we learn about parts of body name. Head. This is my head. Hairs. These are my hairs. Forehead. This is my forehead. Eyes. These are my eyes. Ear. This is my ear. Eyelashes. These are my eyelashes. Eyebrow. This is my eyebrow. Cheek. This is my cheek. Nose. This is my nose. Teeth. These are my teeth. Lip. This is my lip. Tongue. This is my tongue. Mouth. This is my mouth. Chin. This is my chin. Throat. This is my throat. Hand. This is my hand. Finger. This is my finger. Palm. This is my palm. Nail. This is my nail. Thumb. This is my thumb. Knuckles. These are my knuckles. Arm. This is my arm. Elbow. This is my elbow. Armpit. This is my armpit. Chest. This is my chest. Belly. This is my belly. Belly button. This is my belly button. Neck. This is my neck. Nape. This is my nape. Shoulder. This is my shoulder. Beard. This is my beard. Legs. These are my legs. Knee. This is my knee. Thigh. This is my thigh. Hip. This is my hip. Backbone. This is my backbone. Ankle. This is my ankle. Toy. This is my toy. Sole. This is my sole. Foot. This is my foot. Mustache. This is my mustache.